I have a cluster of Red River birch. The leaves are misshapen and there is a white dust everywhere. What is this infestation? Is there a cure? I am contemplating cutting them down. This is Nadine from Springfield, Florida.
Yes.
So let's see if we can help Miss Nadine out here, right?
Yeah.
Red River birch, right? So we have the river birch aphis, which
Yes.
sometimes goes by the name of witch hazel gall aphis, but it's host specific.
Yeah.
So it would be
On
the
the
river
river
birch aphis, right?
Yes.
So their feeding, of course, is going to cause the misshaping of the leaves.
That's
Going to make
what
those
I-
leaves look
yeah.
contorted. You're going to have those bumpy ridges
Yes.
on the surface of those leaves. But you know what I would do? Nothing.
No,
I wouldn't do anything.
because there's enough. It doesn't look like it's not affecting the whole tree. It's just the new growth. It'll be the leaves are going to fall off here soon,
Yeah.
and we can start over again. I would just make sure that I would get all the leaves up. So you don't want the bugs to stay over winter.
Right, right.
So just do some good sanitation and
Yeah.
get the leaves up.
Good sanitation would be fine. Let the predators,
Yes.
come and get them. And if the tree is healthy, it's going to be able to tolerate the damage.
It
so
will.
I wouldn't worry anything about that.
Yes.
All right. So there you have it, Miss Nadine, and thank you for the picture.
Good,
The
nice picture. Yes.
Right. And I should mention too that those river birch aphids are covered in white wax.
Yes.
Because she mentioned that she saw white dust everywhere. So yeah, they're
It's-
covered in white wax.
Right.
So if you disturb them, yeah, they kind of flock off, and
It's
I
gonna
can see what
flake
looks
off.
like white dust, and some people say it looks like snow, falling. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.